Hi, it's Thomas Cook from Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX, and here is our October 2014 Toronto real estate market report. The October market continued to be strong, and expectations are for that to continue right on through 2015. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what this is all about. Sales were a record for October, with 8,552 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites maintained their 31.3% share of the market, with 2,676 units being sold. The October average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $587,500, up 8.9% from 2013. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market's going to be. We had a 15% decline in inventory for the month of October compared to historical numbers, and lower by 5.7% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24 is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In October, that ratio finished at 48.9%, up 6% from last year's result. By the numbers, the overall market is in busy seller market territory. The days on market average for the entire Toronto Real Estate Board was 25, the same as it was in September. With October sales being the best ever for the month, we could easily be headed towards a record year, but we'll need a little over 11,000 sales in the last 2 months to achieve that. Year-over-year average appreciation levels throughout 2014 has averaged 8.5%, up from the last 5-year average of 6.6%. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for October was just under $441,700. That number represented a modest 3.8% increase from the same time last year. With 334 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 11% compared to 2013. The ratio of sales to listings declined slightly to 26.9%, which puts CO1 back into neutral market territory once again. The average days on market came in at 31, which was 4 days faster than in September. Now, east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for October was just under $439,600. That number represented an 8.1% increase from October 2013. And with 140 condo sales in the month, the numbers were 6% higher than last year. The ratio of sales to listings rose to 42.6% from 37% in September. That number puts CO8 into moderately busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 23, 6 days faster than last month. I attended an interesting seminar with Jim Ritchie from Tridel at the end of October, and he was quite bullish on the Toronto condo market. By the end of September, the industry had delivered 19,000 completed suites to their new GTA owners, and he expected somewhere between 22,000 to 24,000 to be the total by year-end. He also predicted that the industry would max out at 25,000 units in 1 year, simply because of labor and infrastructure limitations. Best of all, there are only 1,800 suites completed by builders and not yet sold across the entire GTA. A good statistic that shows there's not a glut of unsold units hanging over the market. Often the press quotes the monthly average sale price for detached homes in Toronto as approaching $1 million. Now, that hasn't happened yet, but likely will come close if not exceed it in 2015. The problem, of course, is supply. One of the last major developments of single-family detached homes happened in the beach area in the early to middle part of the last decade, and owners there have done very well with appreciation. There are just no big plots of land left to develop within the City of Toronto. We don't have access to the broken out statistics for detached home sales before 2011, but you can see from the chart that we're up by almost exactly $200,000 in average sale price between October 2011 and October 2014, which averages out to a 26.6% price increase in that 3 years. So aren't you glad you didn't listen to real estate gurus like Capital Economics or Garth Turner and wait for prices to come down? So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. What a tour is not intended to do is to show you homes with the intention that you'd buy one. What it is intended to do is to give you a chance to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range, without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at dailydowntowncondotours.com. That's dailydowntowncondotours.com. And a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. That's dailytorontohometours.com. So remember to check back here in early December for our November Toronto Real Estate Market Report.